This is a lip balm from Dior. It smells sweet like strawberry. And I like the texture, it's soft and it helps to moisturize your lips. I love it because it's not that sticky. This one is also from Dior. It's a lip plumping gloss and it feels very hydrating. It smells sweet too, a bit of like a cherry smell. It kinda gives off like a little burning sensation, but it's not that bad. And it helps to keep my lips feel moisturized. For this product, you have to apply it every night to keep your face more moisturized and hydrated. But for me, I don't really like the smell because it smells like sunscreen. I love the glowy texture, it's so smooth. Oh my god, this is my favorite. I love it because it smells like rose. It's made from rose petals and you're supposed to apply it on your face and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. It helps you to prevent from having dry skin and you can apply it every day.